Mass timber is gaining significant attention and popularity in the field of sustainable building practices. Utilizing products like cross-laminated timber, glue-laminated timber, or other types of mass timber comes with numerous advantages across various aspects of construction. From the biophilic properties, to cost savings, to even fire resistance, mass timber offers a range of benefits that make it an appealing choice for modern building projects. Sustainability. The first big benefit of mass timber is its incredible sustainability. As a renewable resource, it can be replenished through sustainable forestry practices. Within the category of sustainability, one of the most significant advantages is carbon sequestration. As trees grow, they absorb and store carbon dioxide. On top of this, mass timber also has low embodied energy compared to other traditional building materials. The construction process itself is also more efficient with less time spent and less waste produced. The modularity of mass timber components extends its lifespan by making reuse possible, further enhancing its sustainability. And then finally, mass timber is both recyclable and biodegradable, reducing its environmental impact even more. Biophilic properties. Mass timber offers biophilic properties by bringing nature into our built environment. It provides a visual, olfactory, and haptic connection to nature, which can lead to stress reduction in occupants. This natural connection has also been shown to boost productivity by improving on concentration and creativity. Exposure to natural materials like wood can also contribute to a stronger immune system. And then last but not least, the overall energy efficiency of mass timber helps enhance the biophilic experience by creating more comfortable and stable indoor environments. Assembly speed and cost savings. Prefabrication allows for high quality production, with precise pre-made openings and joints and a simplified building kit-like design that further streamlines the construction process. The lightweight nature of mass timber makes transportation easier and reduces the need for heavy lifting equipment on site. Because of this, the overall workforce efficiency is improved, and smaller teams can work in parallel. The natural aesthetic of wood eliminates the need for additional finishes, unless this is preferred. This reduced need for finishes cuts down in costs for materials and work hours, which then also leads to cost savings. Like mentioned before, mass timber can be made in modular ways, which allow for reuse, and in this case, it also allows for economies of scale to come into play, further reducing the cost per unit. Structural and seismic performance. The high strength-to-weight ratio of mass timber is a key factor in its structural and seismic performance, allowing for a robust construction without excessive weight. Engineers have developed specialized joints and connections for mass timber buildings. The lightweight nature of mass timber significantly reduces the seismic mass of buildings. This leads to reduced loads on foundations, which is particularly beneficial in earthquake-prone areas. During seismic events, mass timber buildings excel in energy dissipation. They provide redundant load paths and are relatively ductile, allowing them to absorb and distribute seismic forces effectively. These combined factors contribute to the overall superior performance of mass timber buildings in seismic conditions, making them an increasingly popular choice in modern construction, especially in areas with high seismic activity. Acoustics. Mass timber provides excellent acoustic properties and offers great design flexibility. Custom shapes and perforations are easily achievable, and additional materials can also be implemented into the panels for acoustic performance benefits. The natural warmth of wood diffuses sound in a pleasing way. As a porous and fibrous material, mass timber offers excellent sound absorption, whilst its density offers excellent sound insulation. This combination makes it an ideal choice for creating quiet and comfortable spaces. Fire resistance. Contrary to what some might expect, mass timber has impressive fire resistance properties. Wood's thermal mass means it doesn't spread or release heat quickly, making it much safer than steel. It has a very predictable burn rate and even charring properties, which protects the inner wood and lengthens its structural performance. Additionally, mass timber produces less smoke compared to other building materials when exposed to fire. Indoor air quality. Mass timber contributes positively to indoor air quality, or IAQ, in several ways. First of all, it naturally regulates humidity, helping with moisture management. On top of this, it even has natural air purification properties. And like we mentioned before, the thermal properties of mass timber help create more comfortable and stable indoor environments, contributing to the overall indoor air quality. Conclusion. In conclusion, mass timber offers several advantages that align with the growing demand for sustainable and environmentally friendly building practices. Its fast assembly speed, in combination with other benefits, make it a promising choice for projects seeking to combine efficiency, innovation, and environmental consciousness. In the upcoming videos, we'll be diving deeper into each of these benefits. If you can't wait and want to see the mind map right away, head over to the TimberTalk Patreon page. There you can become a member for free and download the mind map.
Stay informed, stay inspired. TimberTalk.